We are back, baby. We are back. We are back here at Universal Orlando. More like the Universal Parking Garage. So we got a couple things going on today. We're gonna go meet up with Spectacle Views and Adventures with AZ. We haven't seen them in forever.
Forever means 2 weeks.
2 weeks. We've been busy with her graduation. Congratulations, graduates. But we're gonna go check out a couple of the new things that are here because a lot are happening at the theme parks. The Legacy Store's open, which was Epic Universe Preview Center. So we're gonna go through security and go straight over there and let's go check that out. But we're back, Universal Orlando. Welcome home. There she is, the Universal Legacy Store. Now, like I said earlier, this used to be the Epic Universe Preview Store.
Oh, they took down the portal.
Yes. So let's go ahead, let's go inside and see what all the goodies they have. I already like the exterior with the classic monsters, Jaws, Back to the Future. Look at this. Got a lot of Jaws merch out. Ooh, they got a Tom Wallen signing going on. E.T., Back to the Future. Wow. That's so cool. They turned it all into blind boxes. Look at the little Chucky ones. Minions. So if you're really into blind boxes, this is where you should be at. There are the SpongeBob ones, the Bikini Bottom buddies. So the first part of our epic adventure today is stopping at Islands of Adventure. And then we will move over to Universal. And I think we're ending off watching Sensational because they got the drone show going on tonight. Love the arts right here. The adventure begins. So, what should we do first? First things first, I think I kind of want a cold butterbeer, so I think we'll work our way over to Harry Potter to go get that. That's like my one request I want to do. But I think we're meeting up with someone else. So, let's go do that. What is this?
You're fine. We just got into Islands.
Oh, that's new. Oh, the Lost Continent is closing. And they already got barricades up. Oh, what do you guys think they're gonna build there? What do you think they're building?
Where?
Lost Continent.
I'm thinking I'm thinking Zelda.
Zelda? I think
Pokemon will be in Simpsons.
Simpsons? Are they closing? They're closing Simpsons?
There's rumors.
Oh, you heard it there, folks. So like I did say, the Lost Continent is closing. Oh man. So they're already stopping the water features. They already got it all boarded up. Ooh, hey, things are happening here. Well, at least the restaurant is still open.
There is a closing date for it.
Oh, they already have the closing date?
Yeah, I think so. I need to look that up.
Because it's really hot. So we're heading over to Hogsmeade. The castle's fixed. Spread the word. It actually looks nice. It looks cleaner. Good news, everyone. I completed what I wanted to do. And I'm happy. And I'm back to being in love again.
Back to Tampa now.
No. Yeah, I've been about to take another 2-hour drive. Came here just for this. Now we're gonna go check out Jurassic Park because that ride is still under renovation. So, by the way, the feel like is 91 degrees and it's miserable.
It doesn't feel like that.
T-Rex chase photo experience. So, as I was saying, Jurassic Park is still down for maintenance, but the gift shop is still open. And for those of you that don't know, I am a dinosaur nerd. I love Jurassic Park. So, we're looking for the Jurassic Park raincoat. Oh my lord! Ah! So this is the new T-Rex photo experience.
Yeah, big green screen in the back.
Yeah, so I can add whatever I want to this now.
I don't think that's the part that's missing.
No. Start just adding random stuff to it because it's a green.
King Kong.
For last video, or last time we were here at Universal, we were talking about never riding Kong again because we kept getting stuck on it. Never riding Kong because it's 5 minutes. So never ride this ride unless it's like 5 minutes. Alrighty, so here's a little update. We left Kong. By the way, that was a pretty decent run on Kong for once. But we're heading to the front of the park to go check out the main gift shop over here. So we're gonna go do that and go find this poncho. This is on our way to Universal, by the way. We couldn't find the poncho, so we're going to Universal to go close out the park. So, oh my God, they got the track out for Fast and Furious. Right where that crane is at, you can see the pillars for Fast and Furious. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, things are happening. We will probably get a closer look because I know they're already putting track down. So, things are happening. This is crazy. Yeah,
We just have an army of content creators.
I'm gonna need you to say that again.
Which part?
I'll let you do the Spielberg.
All right, Spielberg. I thought you were gonna take Summer.
Oh, Summer.
Blockbusters.
Featuring
Disclosure.
Day. Oh.
Tribute store.
Tribute store.
Oh, that was messy.
Holy smokes. Oh, man. Whoa.
Cool. Yes.
This is crazy.
I don't have a vanity plate just because I don't want to drill the holes in the front of my new car.
So for those of you that don't know, I know I say this a lot in my videos, but I'm a big fan of Jurassic Park. Oh my gosh. I'm so gonna get everything in this room. This is my favorite room. I don't care what else they have.
30 years later.
Do I feel like Jeff Goldblum if I were Jessica Chastain?
Original outfits. Ian Malcolm's outfit. Sorry, I'm like fanboying over here. Oh, I want that. I will build that one. Huh. Interesting. But this is a pretty cool tribute store though. If you guys are wondering where the new summer tribute store is at, it is right where they have the Mardi Gras tribute store. So, another Spielberg movie called Disclosure Day. I have no idea what this movie's about, but it looks pretty cool. I thought it was based off Independence Day, which is another alien movie. So, definitely worth checking out. So, it looks like we are doing Cinesational tonight, which I haven't seen since it's been back after Mardi Gras. So we are doing that tonight at 9 o'clock. But we're heading over to DreamWorks to go ride the roller coaster. So we made it to DreamWorks. We're gonna head over to the roller coaster, which actually I have yet to been on. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, we're riding the roller coaster. Sadly, I cannot film on this ride, but I will let you guys know how it goes. It doesn't seem too bad. It's just a kid's ride, but look at all the neon lights. Look at that. This whole song, this whole area makes me, I feel happy. So, funny enough, we rode the roller coaster twice, and since there's 8 of us, we got a whole train to ourselves. That is unique. That was a unique experience. So we're in Springfield. Look at that sunset. Oh, wow. Have any of you guys had Duff beer? Is it good? Let me know down in the comments. Might try some. Alrighty, so we rode Green Gots. That was fun. So what's the plan? We're going Mummy? Mummy and Sensational?
We're gonna do Mummy. We're gonna try to run to Sensational.
Oh, okay.
Which we got some bags.
Challenge. We got 5 minutes before Sensational. I don't know if we're gonna do this. So that's Sensational. We decided to skip out on the Mummy and come on over here and watch the show. And it's a nice show. So,
I got pecans.
oh yeah, we got a whole lot of candy too, so let's go find us a nice spot because it just started. As always, that was a really good show to go see and to end the night off. Now, that is playing every night at 9 o'clock with the drones unless there is weather. By the way, the horror and makeup show is no longer a thing right now because it's under refurbishment. So, sad to say that I did not get to see the show before it closed. So, it's been a fun day. And I'm so happy I got to see my friends. That's literally all I wanted to do. Well, so I guess that will conclude our night. We did a lot of things. We met up with our friends. That's, like I was saying, that's literally all I wanted to do. But rode a lot of rides, rode the Mummy, we rode the roller coaster, which was interesting because I haven't done that. And then Green Gots. We did a lot today. We even went to islands. But with that being said, it was a phenomenal day. So, you guys leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure.